I dig rock and roll music and I love to get the chance to play
and sing it.
I figure it's about the happiest sound going down today. The message may not move me or mean a great deal to me, but hey, it feels so groovy to say. The mamas and the papas at the Trip Sunset Strip in L.A. And they got a good thing going when the words don't get in the way. And when they're really wailing, Michelle and Cass are sailing. Hey, they really nail me to the wall.
His crystal images, he tell you about the brighter day.
And when the Beatles tell you they've got a word love to sell you, they mean exactly what they say. I dig rock and roll music, I could really get it on in that scene. I think I could say something if you know what I mean. But